So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to invite friends in Stumble Guys. So the first thing you want to do is go to Stumble Guys here, click on play. From there you're gonna be open to this page right there. After that you can see your profile, your progress, your notifications, as well as currency and your settings. After that, in order to invite your friends, you can do a couple of things. If you go to the friends page, you can see pending invites, you can see recommended friends. Now on here, you can add people through this green button, but you can invite them through here as well. So you can get some sort of cooperation going, and you can even compete against one another. So you can do it through here. You can just click on invite. You can also go to parties and click on normal game. And after that, you can invite your friends through this room code to add people to the lobby. But the main thing about adding or inviting friends is to go to recommended page, and you will see the options to invite people. After that, they will get an invite in this friends list. If they have a notification on, they will see it immediately. It's like a friend request, but it's called an invite in Stumble Guys. So you can click this green button and they will get an invite, which will be in their pending invites list. After that, you can become friends on Stumble Guys and play the game together. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Stumble Guys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.